Hi, I'm Dr. Steph, and today I'm going to be debunking some myths for you about 5 different human foods which we've generally been taught are not safe for our dogs, but in actual fact, in moderation. By the way, I can't stress that enough, in moderation. It's never a good idea to eat too much of one thing, whether you're a dog or a human. In moderation are perfectly safe. So the first one I'm going to chat to you about is avocado. Avocado is considered unsafe because of a compound called persin, and this is a compound which is toxic to dogs if consumed in large quantities, but persin is largely concentrated in the skin, in the pip, and in the leaves of the avocado. It is not as concentrated in the flesh, and you will not have a problem if your dog eats some avocado flesh. The avocado flesh is a great source of healthy fats. It's also a great source of dietary fiber, as well as containing some vitamins and minerals that are beneficial to your pets. Okay, the next one I want to talk to you about is garlic. Garlic's generally considered unsafe because of 2 compounds, disulfides and thiosulfates. And these are the same compounds we find in onions. They are a lot more concentrated in onions, but essentially they lead to damage of the red blood cells and they can cause anemia. So please stay away from onions. Garlic, however, the concentrations are so much smaller that your dog would have to eat a huge amount of garlic for there to be an issue. And it's actually perfectly safe for your dog to have a clove of garlic here and there. The benefits of garlic are that it is a natural anti-inflammatory, and it also contains a compound called allicin, which is a natural antibiotic. So a great addition if you want to add a medicinal value to your pet's diet. Okay, the next one we are going to move on to is tomatoes. Tomatoes are generally considered unsafe for our pets because of a compound called solanine, and this is, just like avocados, concentrated in the stems, in the leaves, in green unripe tomatoes. So this red ripe tomato, perfectly safe for your dog. It's a great source of antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, as well as fiber. Okay, moving on to mushrooms. Mushrooms, just like with humans, we've been taught to stay away. It's because there are so many varieties. It's difficult to identify which varieties are safe and not. So as a port of call, I think we're just taught to stay away. But just like with humans, please don't feed your dog a toxic mushroom. It'll cause a problem. But mushrooms, just like these button mushrooms, are totally safe, and you can include them in your dog's diet. They're also their own great source of protein, and also same source of fiber and great vitamins and minerals. So the final one I want to debunk is dairy. And so many of us are taught that dairy is not great for our dogs. And I just want to, run into why this is. And that is because so many adult dogs are actually lactose intolerant. But just like with humans, not all dogs are lactose intolerant. And so by all means, if your dog is, stay away from dairy. But if not, dairy can be such a great source of calcium, vitamins, minerals, and even protein. And also if you're going to feed a yogurt, it is a wonderful source of natural probiotics for your pet. Okay, that's all 5 for today. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks later. I hope you found that helpful.